If you are trying to learn crochet stitches, you came to the right place. Welcome to Bridget's Crochet Corner. I am Bridge. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how to do some basic stitches, all the way from a chain, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and a triple crochet. This is how you do a single crochet. So for the single crochet, you're going to go into the next stitch, which is this hole right here. This hole on top of that, you have a V right here. This part of the V that's closest to you is your front loop, and this one farther from you is the back loop. So when I go through, I'm going to make sure that I'm going under both. And I'm going to yarn over, pull through. So now I have 2 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. Let's do that again. I'm going to go into the next stitch, which is this hole. I'm going to go through there. Be sure to have both the front loop and the back loop on my hook. Yarn over, pull through. I now have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. To do the half double crochet, you will first yarn over before you even go into the stitch. Then you'll go into the stitch, you'll yarn over and pull back through. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you'll yarn over and pull through all 3. Let's do that again. Yarn over, then go into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Let's do that one more time. So yarn over, then you go into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through the stitch, then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And that is the half double crochet. Here's how you do the double crochet. You'll yarn over before you go into the stitch. You'll go into the next stitch by going under both the front and the back loop. And then you'll yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now you'll yarn over, but only pull through 2. Then you'll yarn over and you'll pull through the other 2. By spreading that out, that's what helps you get this height. So you want to make sure that you're not having too much tension, that you're not too tight. So let's do that again. Yarn over before you go through the stitch. Go into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. We now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2 of the 3 loops, yarn over and pull through the rest. And that is a double crochet. This is how you do a triple crochet. So you're going to yarn over once and again before you even go into the stitch. So you have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Then you'll go into the next stitch. You'll yarn over, pull back through. So now you have 4 loops on your stitch. Now, when you're doing this next part, it's important to not be too tight or you won't get this height that you're looking for with a triple crochet. So you'll yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Let's do that again. You're going to yarn over 2 times, then go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, then you're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over 2 times, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through the last 2 loops. And then you'll get these really tall stitches. If your pattern calls for you to go through just the front loop or the back loop, this is how you do that. This is true for all stitches. For this, we're going to be doing the single crochet stitch. So if it says front loop only, or FLO, you're going to go into that stitch, but only the front loop. You can see I've gone in between the V, so now I have the front loop, which is closest to me, and the back loop, which is now left behind. And then you're going to do your stitch the same way. So for a single crochet, I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now let's do the back loop. So instead of coming from the front here, I'm actually going to go into the V. I'm capturing the back loop, which is farther from me, and I'm leaving this front loop behind, and now I'm going to finish the stitch. So since I'm doing single crochets, I'll yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. There's a lot of different ways that people do slip knots, so if this doesn't resonate with you, keep checking out other videos till you find one that does. So I'm going to go up, down, and around, make an X, and then grab that yarn through the hole and pull down. Now once you have that, you can put it on your hook, and you shorten it because it's a slip knot, so you can just pull on the yarn. Now to start your chain, which is the basics of all crochet, I pinch this tail here so that it's not sliding around. And I usually put my finger here just to stabilize it. Then I'm going to go in front, behind, pull through. 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 And what you're trying to do is to have even tension so that each chain is the same size. That takes time. There's a lot of different ways that you can hold the hook, that you can hold the string, so just keep at it till you find the way that works best for you. When you're ready to start your stitches and you have your chain, and it says to work into the chain, this is the front of the chain with the V. This is the back of the chain with these little humps there. I always go into the hump when I'm starting my first row of actual stitches. And the reason being is then at the bottom of your work, you have a nice finish with the V's of the chain. Here's how I do the magic ring. I'm gonna go up and around. I'm going to go in to the hole and grab the yarn. I'm going to pin it there. Now I'm going to hold my yarn like normal. I usually do a chain just to keep it all there. And then you do what it calls for in the magic ring. So let's say it calls for 6 single crochets. I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll pull that out. Okay, now this is why it's important to make sure that your stitches are going over this piece that leads to nothing, but also the loop. When you're done with that, you're going to hold your stitches, you're going to pull the end piece. And that's why it's called the magic ring. It just sucks everything in. Then you'll continue to follow the directions for the next step. I would be so grateful if you like, comment, and subscribed. So many more tutorials to come. Let's crochet!